Have you experienced the Delta difference? Well, if not, you should, because we never stop working for you. We're your one-stop shop, and we've got you covered from drill bits to resin. And when it comes to resin, we have it available in single bottles, cases, 250 milliliters, liters, gallons, and we do private labeling. You can count on us. We've been the leading manufacturer for over 35 years, and we aren't going anywhere. Our resins are top shelf. We pride ourselves on quality, so we offer a variety of commercial grade windshield repair resins, and all of our resins are made in the USA. We offer fast and reliable shipping. Orders ship on the same day they were placed, and we can ship worldwide. All of our resins ship with safety data sheets, and all of our bottles are labeled to the GHS standard. We've earned a reputation as the premier provider of windshield repair supplies, so hit us up so we can help your company reach its full potential.